What is going on, guys? We are back with the gs350 and we're going to be installing some side skirts. I got these bad boys off of eBay. They were out of stock for a bit, but had to wait for them to be back in stock. And as you can see, these are for gs350, the wald side skirts. So yeah, let's test fit them. So as you can see, they're just made of like ABS plastic, so super light. So unfortunately, due to the mud guards, I'm gonna have to cut about a little over an inch off of the side skirts. So yeah, I've already marked it right here, but yeah, get started doing that. This is what it's gonna look like. Not that noticeable, but kind of subtle. In case you were curious, the front jack points for the 2013 gs350 all-wheel drive is that. Boom. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Still need to cut a little bit from here because the fender liner is kind of blocking the actual side skirt, like sitting flush up against the rocker panel, I guess that's what it's called. But yeah, doesn't look too bad. Driver's side or passenger side done. Getting ready to paint. I'm just gonna scuff them up a bit so the paint can adhere. Mask on, mask on, So I put about 4 coats of base coat on there, 4 or 5 coats, and then just letting it dry right now because I just hit it like the underside of the side skirts with some paint. So just let it dry and then throw some clear on there, a couple coats of clear, and then that's it. Hopefully I don't screw them up like I did with the mud guards, but yeah, we'll see. Alrighty, here it is. Finished product. Doesn't look too bad.
You sure about that?
Literally no metallic specks in it. Basically just looks gloss black, but yeah, let's get it started installing these bad boys. Alright, double-sided tape on, and I cleaned up the bottom as well. Alrighty, all done. Doesn't look too bad. I think the passenger side looks better than the driver's side. The passenger side, this end sticks out a bit more, which looks better, and then this side kind of droops. Watch, I'll show you. You can't really tell but see, it's kind of drooping down a bit. And this is the passenger side. It's kind of more sticks out straighter, but yeah, can't tell unless you're looking at it like head on. But yeah, pretty satisfied. I think they were like $100. But yeah, next up we got the either roof spoiler or the front end conversion, whichever comes in first, I think. So, oh, I still have the RSR downsprings and the wheels I need to install. So yeah, those are up next on the agenda. But until next time, see you guys later.